BuildParts by CIDEAS Inc. is proud to present True-Quote, an advanced interactive quoting engine which gives you full control of your parts' orientation, finish level, process, material choice, and more. When you first enter True-Quote, you'll be prompted to either enter the online quote engine or secure manual upload tool. For this demonstration, we will be focusing on the online quote portion of True-Quote. Choose one or more STL files that you would like quoted. Once loaded into the True-Quote viewer, simply select the part or parts you would like quoted. A red bounding box indicates the part may be imported in the wrong scale or too large for the process. Units may be changed from millimeters to centimeters or inches. A selected part may be oriented with manual controls on the right via grab handles or by typing in the desired coordinates. For automated controls, simply use the dashboard on the left. With the part selected, choose the process from the drop-down menu on the left, and the material specific to the process will be shown as a submenu. When choosing your material, you'll notice the part change colors to simulate the desired choice. Using the mouse wheel when hovering over the build area will allow you to zoom in and out. Custom finishing options are available and vary from process to process. Quantities may be changed on the dashboard on the left or on the quote itself when it appears. On the outer edge of the grid, you'll see the process and materials selected for that part. The grid demonstrates the largest buildable area of that particular process and material chosen. Aside from manual orientation, the dashboard located on the right allows you to also scale your part, change the density of FDM parts from solid to honeycomb, view or suppress supports, and even animate your part in the viewer. True-Quote is the first online quote engine that enables you to determine the orientation of each individual part. In many technologies, the orientation of the part directly affects feature strength, such as tabs, living hinges, and threads. Prices are reflected in these changes due to build time and waste stream changes of your project. In many cases, the best orientation also offers the best price. Some geometries, such as containers, bottles, sculptures, and lenses, should be oriented vertically in the machine for preservation of the most important surface finishes and finest features. If you're uncomfortable with making any of these choices or decisions, feel free to use the manual quote option, and one of our BuildParts experienced project managers will work with you to find the best solution. Once satisfied with your process, material choice, and orientation, select the Quote All Parts on the bottom left-hand portion of the browser. BuildParts will upload your STL files to our secure server, virtually build your project, and provide a quote. It's highly recommended to allow pop-up windows in order to properly see it. Please note, we are updating our database of materials and processes often. Some may be unavailable or require a manual quote. If you have any questions regarding the material or processes that are not showing, please contact us at 847-639-1000 or email us at info@buildparts.com. Once your final quote is displayed, you're able to remove line items, change the quantities, and finish level. On the top of the quote, there's a red banner scrolling across, which may be selected to request a project manager to reach out during normal business hours. Upon choosing this, your quote will be saved and a copy will be sent to BuildParts. All online orders are processed the same day, with typical lead times of 1 to 4 days based on the process, material, quantities, and finish level. Please note that all credit card orders are processed offline, but by selecting order, your job will automatically be placed into queue. Thank you for using BuildParts.com, and feel free to reach out regarding services not listed or covered during this video.